Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing all dry pencil particles. Scrape gently with a spoon so you don't push graphite deeper. Once done, test a hidden seam for color fastness. You need to know the dye reaction. Next, place the fabric over a towel and blot from the back to force graphite out, not in. Make sure to have cold water, mild liquid detergent, and rubbing alcohol ready. These act differently on oils versus graphite, so you'll switch between them soon. Now you treat the mark methodically. You'll blot with cold water from the reverse side. This pushes particles out, and you must repeat until no more graphite lifts. After that, apply 1 drop of liquid detergent directly to the area and gently agitate with your fingers or a soft brush. This emulsifies any binding oils. If the pencil remains, dab 70% rubbing alcohol and lift with a clean white cloth. Make sure to rinse the area thoroughly after alcohol to remove residues. Finish by rinsing thoroughly in cold water to remove detergent and loosened graphite. Once rinsed, launder as the care label advises. Use the normal cycle if safe. Air dry the garment. Do not use a dryer because heat can set any faint residue permanently. If a trace of pencil remains after drying, repeat the previous steps or apply a targeted stain remover for pigments. And if you still see marks, consult a professional cleaner who can evaluate fabric-specific solutions and prevent damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.